Hey, it's Slime Nation! So I'm Savannah. And she's Lila. Okay, so we're going to be doing our slime collection. Well, these are kind of mine, but okay. Yeah. I am going to be doing one slime, and then Lila will show one slime. So this one's Shamrock Foam. Not very clicky. It just parted. Okay.
This right here is called Red Apple Laffy Taffy.
Poke it the right way. You're gonna mess up
Laffy Taffy slime.
It's
Red
kind
apple.
of sticky.
Laffy Taffy slime.
Lila, poke it the right way. Okay, next slime. So the next one, right here, I'm going to show two this time. So I don't really have a name for this. It's bubblegum with clumps. These are beads that I got from Walmart. I'm bad at making those. And then I made a clear slime, made it orange, and added beads. Okay.
Okay. There's this slime. I don't know what slime it is. What is it called?
Name it. Just name it.
Orange slime with pink, with purple sparkles and pink.
Okay. Show another one.
What is this slime called? Pineapple?
Yeah, pineapple with chunks.
Pineapple with chunks?
No, pineapple with sparkles.
Pineapple with sparkles. What are you doing? No.
Okay, so the next one is lemon with chunks.
Everything is with chunks.
Because it has beads in it. It doesn't smell very good. Next one, as you guess, lime with chunks. This one?
Lime with chunks.
Limes.
Oh god, beads are going everywhere.
Yeah,
oh, god.
as you can see,
beads
go everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, Lila, next to you.
I'll call this... Whoops.
Oh, that's watermelon.
Watermelon? I was
like,
gonna name it Christmas. But whatever.
Christmas.
And then
you can name that one. I just got this one yesterday.
Glitter sparkles. Sparkle.
Glitter Slimes 2017. Okay, next one is, I haven't named this one surprisingly. It is a blue slime with beads in it.
I'm surprised you didn't say a blue slime with chunks.
Yeah. Okay, and then my next one is this really runny. It's a slime. It's like kind of jiggly, but it's sticky too. Okay, Lila.
Okay, I don't know what this is called.
Galaxy.
Galaxy?
Galaxy, but they're all mixed.
Okay. So this galaxy slime supposedly is really stretchy. Oh god, it's sticky too.
Yeah, sticky. I haven't played with it.
And then we have
the
mustard.
Melted butter slime.
Oh.
But it's butter slime.
Yeah, this is a butter slime that I made for her. It's so awesome.
Okay, my turn.
Should I just do my last slime?
No. Save that one for last. Okay, so I have this orange creamsicle slime. I'm just going to do a bunch of mine right now. Orange creamsicle slime. It's not clicky at all. Next, I made, this is a butter slime that I used. And I didn't have Model Magic, so I used cornstarch. And it actually spreads. And I got a piece of tape on my. And I don't know what I'm going to name this one. This one kind of looks like a lemon butter. Random name. And then we have grassy slime.
Just call it grass.
Grass.
Hello.
And blueberry. Yeah,
Oh God.
blueberry. Okay, Lila, come do your last slime.
No, just do the rest of yours.
So, I have this clear slime with big rainbow foam beads in it. And it's kind of crunchy.
It's a really dirty clear slime.
Yeah, she made it for me. And we call this one pitch black.
You can't see it. Yeah, there, that's better. Well, I'd call that mint.
Okay, and I got a couple more left. Sorry, there's like so many. This one is called Cookies and Cream.
Like a purple cookies and cream.
It's white.
It's purple.
Okay, oh my God, so many. Okay, so this one is sparkly butter slime. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And I got this one from Target. And it rips apart easily. It's kind of gross. And this one, blueberry pie.
Nice.
Come do your last slime.
Okay.
I'm gonna fold
Last slime is, what is this called? It has a type.
You gotta put it down. We can't see it. That's unnamed.
Unnamed.
Yes.
It has like the rice bead thingies in it. Pinkie pie.
So let's do our intro.
Outro. It's called an outro.
Oh. So bye guys.
Subscribe and become part of our nation.
Hey, go follow our Instagram, willy.slimies with no E.
Link in the description.